Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Genie and so this is my second YouTube video. So if you're new, please subscribe. Thanks. So today I'm going to be talking about a miracle product called Olaplex. So basically, some of you may already know if you follow me on Instagram that I've had blonde ends. Like I had the ombre effect. It was bleached, and ever since then I've had like split ends. My hair was cutting, it was dry. I've tried everything. I did protein treatments, I deconditioned, I even did protective hairstyles. I learned to wrap my hair for the first time that winter. I was wrapping my hair every day. Like I really did try to save my hair, but my hair just wasn't taking the color. The bleach wasn't working, you know? So over time my hair was growing, but at the same time my ends were cutting. So you would notice that my hair remained the same length, but when you see me like over, let's say, a month or so, you'll notice that the blonde is just less. People ask me, are you dyeing your hair back black gradually? I'm like, no, my ends are just cutting off, they're damaged. So if I had known about this product before, it would have helped tremendously. I could have dyed my hair and this would have kept the health. So eventually I did trim my ends, and it was short for a while because it was a lot of split ends. It was like that much. So now it was back to a healthy state. But then I went through a little phase, exams, you know, and I wasn't sleeping on no silk pillowcases. I wasn't taking my NutriBear gummies. I wasn't using my satin bonnets. I didn't really deep condition my hair at all, or even condition it. I just shampooed and went. So as you can, you know, guess, my ends did get messed up again. I have split ends at the moment. My hair is breaking at the ends. I've been trying to take care of it. I just don't want to trim one more time. But before I do resort to trimming, I do want to try this product because I've seen great reviews where a lot of people have said that this product has just magically like fixed their ends. So if you have severely damaged hair, it's recommended to use it 2 to 3 times a week. If you just have a regular split ends, 1 time a week, which I'm going to do. So at like a month's time, I'm going to give you guys an update of how my hair is after using this 1 time a week for a whole month. So to explain it in scientific terms, what I got from Google is that it basically reconnects, it bonds back the broken disulfide bonds in your hair. So basically, split ends combine as one and you're good to go. So I'm excited to try this product. I can't wait to give you guys an update after a month. Right now we're going to go through the process, and I do hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, so first you want to get your hair damp, but not too damp. So I'm going to wet my hair with this 360 spray bottle, and then I'll show you the rest of the work. First, you do want to detangle your hair before you actually put in the Olaplex.
Perfect.
Okay, so now my hair is damp. I'm going to use my denim brush to actually detangle my hair before I put in the Olaplex 3. Now my hair is finished detangling, and I'm going to put in the Olaplex. I'm going to do it in sections, smaller sections, because my hair is a little bit on the thick side, so I do want it to saturate my hair as much as possible. And the thing about Olaplex is that you want to use a lot of it in the areas that you know need it, that are really damaged. The areas that you know are fine, you still saturate, but don't put as much. And the thing about Olaplex is that it can be used in any hair type, and it basically brings back your natural hair to its natural state. So let's begin. You can tell I never opened it, the cap is still on. It has a nice smell to it actually. It kind of smells like body wash.
Perfect. 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 Perfect.
And I may have not said this, but the reason that I sprayed and damped my hair with the 360 spray bottle is because the directions actually say that it's not a conditioner, it's not a shampoo, so use before you shampoo and condition your hair. So after you've applied this product, leave it in for approximately 45 minutes. You can leave it in more, but what I have read is that it actually does no difference. That 45 minutes is the max time that it will do the amount of repair it will do, even if you leave it on for an hour or overnight. I will be leaving my product on overnight because I do not want to wash my hair at the moment. It's quite late, it's like 12 a.m. and I don't want to sleep on damp hair. So I'm going to wake up in the morning just like Kim Kardashian and I'm going to wash this all out. I'm just going to leave it overnight. Okay, so now I've finished putting the Olaplex in all 4 sections of my hair. I'm going to put on a plastic cap and then maybe my silk bonnet, and then I'm going to go to bed. Wake up tomorrow morning, I'm going to wash this all out and show you how it looks. Have a good night, guys. Hey guys, it's the next morning. My hair still has the Olaplex in. I slept on it. It's still damp, just mainly the ends. And I'm going to shampoo and then condition my hair and then show you the end result.
Fire, 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 fire. You ought to get this. My body restless. Wata, wata. Thirst gonna quench with it. Don't play the bench with it. You'll lose your chance with it. Bad from Shiban, she got the star. got the bomb. She boom boom, she lie.
Back up and pull up with it.
See me, see me, see me round. See me, see me round. See me, see me, see me round. Hot and it dangerous. See me, see me, see me round. See me, see me, see me round. See me, see me, see me round. You have been sleeping on me.
Fine girl, let me
I'll
talk to
wake
you.
you up at this after party.
You know I like it when you bust a move. The way you move your body, girl, you got me going crazy. Hips don't lie, oh my girl, you too sexy. Watching from the corner while you working up your waistline. Come closer, let me rock you to the baseline, yeah. The way you whine, they blow my mind. You back it up, you know they waste time. Girl, you fine, I wanna make you mine. Tell me what's your name, girl, sweet Caroline. Now you got me singing live, oh na 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 na. Sweet, sexy chocolate, come to banana. Body make me salivate, bumper to bumper. Filling up your figure eight. You're hot like the summer. Prophett.
That from Shiban, she got the star.